Hello dearies, Mayam Sunday Sibu kamai tawbirige. I hope everyone is having a full-on fun-filling Sunday. Aigidi tumbada loin hokre. Anyways, let's come to the point. Mayam nadi soidana waro birani haiba khangze. Adubu, I have to do this with a very heavy heart. Handak channel da narrator ahaka sakang maikang nabagi event ama fans meet up ki update tawzakibadu. Aikoi postpone kitang tawzaba tare. Cancel tawzabadi nachade yaithok jagadabani aihak se coming date 10 sida Delhi da chattaba yadaba thabak ama laisilakpa maramna fans meet up asi postpone tawdaba yadre. I'm very sorry to say this. Mayamna masigidamakta warobidanaba aihakna request tawzari. Event asi aihakna Delhi dagi thoroklaba matungda reschedule tawraga date amuk lepaga mayamda soidana announce tawzaraklage. Matam tu fawbadangdi warasuwana mayam punna ngai minarasi. Thank you so much for constantly supporting us. Please keep doing it. I love you all and I'll be back with an awesome story tomorrow. Stay tuned.